What a beautiful morning out here in Vietnam. It's gorgeous. I'm out here in Vung. I'm still trying to learn how to pronounce it correctly, but it's gorgeous. Vietnam is just beautiful from the top all the way down to the bottom. Right now, I'm a little closer to Ho Chi Minh City, which is great. It's a bigger city, a lot more opportunities, a lot more amenities, closer to things that I can't get up in the lots where I have my apartment at. But I'm walking around today to give you a better idea of what you can see here if you're thinking about visiting. I hope you are. It would be well worth your while. If you need any help with that, by all means, reach out to me. I can point you in the right direction. Let me know if you have any questions. Peace.
This is Vung, Vietnam. And this moment right here is exactly what my new book is all about. Slow travel isn't about rushing from one tourist spot to the next. It's about actually landing somewhere, breathing it in, and letting it change you. I've been living this lifestyle for a little bit now, and what I've discovered is that travel, done slowly, is one of the most powerful wellness tools we have, especially after 50. My debut book, The Slow Path to Wellness: How Slow Travel Heals at Every Age, launches this Saturday on Amazon. And right now, early birds get 2 free bonus books just for pre ordering. So if you've ever felt the pull to just slow down, to travel more, and actually feel good doing it, this book was written just for you. Follow the link in my bio, and I'll see you on Saturday.
Yeah.